Ready?
Got it. Gotta put a hole into it. Burns. Like crap. Burns. Dude, you got... I shotgun a Red Bull one time. That was fucking crazy.
Yeah, that's nuts. Shotgun Red Bull is nuts.
Oh, it looked
No,
like...
it's just cool.
I thought you broke the pen.
I didn't get a big enough hole.
Dude, have you shotgun a Red Bull before?
Why? How crazy is it?
It's nuts. It's nuts. It burns. It's nuts. It's
I can post.
awesome.
I can probably post
It's
this on my
just
YouTube.
downright-
No, post it on his YouTube.
'Cause the
I
best-
know his password, I think. Actually, might know your password.
Go ahead, post it on YouTube. I don't care.
Post it
Post it
on
on my YouTube.
Huh?
Post it on my YouTube.
I'll send it to you.